Hello everyone and welcome to this unusual episode where we are not teaching, not podcasting, but today we want to share to you how we celebrate festivals or events at LTL Language School. Today, as you can see, we are dressed up for nothing other than Halloween. So it's Halloween 2022 from LTL Language School, Taipei. And today we're going to take you with us to see what costumes we have and what have people dressed up. Speaking about that, right now, what do you think I dressed up as? And to give you a quick hint, by the order of Peaky Blinders. If you get that, you're my friend. If you don't, anyways, alright, let's go into the party and see what everyone else is dressed up as. Alright, vámonos. Hey, Hannah, what are you dressed as? Say what?
An adventurer!
What are you adventuring for?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe Asia, maybe South America.
And is that your pet?
Yes, his name is Banana.
Banana?
Well, his full name is Banana Jamie Lilibet Sears, actually.
Okay.
This is also part of a Britney costume, but he's versatile.
Oh, very versatile. Alright, that's a nice dress and I hope your adventure goes great. Let's continue the party, alright? What are you dressed up as?
I'm a monster.
What kind of monster?
I give you nightmares.
Ooh. We've already talked to you. We know you're adventuring,
an
so
adventurer.
bye-bye. Alright, Van. What are you dressed up as?
What is your best guess?
You tell me, brother.
Well, I got the witch cat, and an experiment.
So are you the witch in Snow White? Just 2022 version?
I don't think so. I think I'm a mysterious, maybe similar to the witch from Brave.
Oh, witch from Brave.
Because
That's quite brave. Nice, nice. What are you guys dressed up as?
Scary.
So you're scary nun. How about you?
Like cat lady.
Catwoman.
Oh,
Catwoman. Ah, okay. And you guys are dressed up as hikers.
Yeah.
Scary Canadian hiker.
Okay, so today we thought that we might do the best costume, and turns out that one candidate is highly appreciated, and we don't know who that is, but there is a kind of a unanimous vote. Right now, people think that there's two people, one who is dressed as Thomas Shelby, and then there's another ghost, monster, devil, evil person. So how about this? Let's take a vote across the room and let's see who won the contest. So everyone, two options: Thomas Shelby or the evil. Okay? Give me the phone. Okay, Hannah, who's your pick? The devil or Thomas Shelby?
As I work here, Thomas Shelby.
Thomas Shelby. All right. Michael Ming, Thomas Shelby or the ghost?
The ghost.
Ghost won, Thomas Shelby won. Michael.
Can we have anonymous voting?
You have to choose one. Let's go.
The evil.
The evil. Okay, evil 2, Thomas Shelby 1. Okay, let's go. Nun and Catwoman.
Thomas Shelby.
Ooh! Thank you. Van, it all comes to you.
This is so why? What is this?
It all comes to you.
Okay, well, I'll preface this by saying I think this has amazing accuracy. It's a lot of effort, but I think in terms of a Halloween costume,
It's Halloween.
It's got to be the evil. It's scary. It scared me through the window. I have to give it to him.
Oh! The winner is the ghost! Love you. Apparently, this costume dressed up as Thomas Shelby does not get you a prize. That being said, the ghost is the winner. Alright guys, so that was the Halloween party by LTL this year. We all had fun and the scary mask guy did win the prize, which I'm a bit envious because someone was dressed up as Thomas Shelby, okay? Okay, anyways, see you guys in the next episode. Hope you guys like this one. And if you want to be a part of us, follow our Instagram, Facebook, Discord, LinkedIn. Our websites are all in the description. And come join us. Till then, happy Halloween. Hope you had a great one. And see you guys in another one.